This is a hot melt coating machine made by Trasy Enterprises, Mumbai. A 20 liters premelter tank is coating EVA-based thermoset hot melt coating on satin cloth. The unwinder is equipped with powder break tension control and electromagnetic web guide. The slot die ensures even coating. A trim slit and removal is provided. The video shows the 100 GSM coating of EVA Hotmelt. Machine has two chilling rolls and a tension-controlled rewinder. The machine is controlled by PLC and touch screen. Adjust the GSM of coating.